Your video is not going viral. That is because you are posting your video the wrong way. Some of you make the mistakes of posting your video without even doing the right optimization, without doing the right video SEO. Yes, SEO might be big for you, but then I'll break it down for you. SEO simply means search engine optimization. In this particular video, I want to show you the right way to
post your video.
when posting your video. There are certain buttons you need to turn on and there are certain buttons you need to turn off. That is the right way to post your video to make that video go viral. You might have good videos, you might have good sound, you might have good lighting, but if your video is not going viral, all that can be said to be a wasted effort. So if you get the posting of your video right, it means that you will succeed very well on YouTube. Yes, content is king, but setting is also very important. So your video settings are the very thing that will determine how far your video will go. Follow me carefully as I show you the step-by-step way of posting your video. So let's go ahead and upload our video and do the right settings.
To start posting on YouTube, go to any of your browser and type studio.youtube.com and send. Alright, so if your own is appearing like this also, if it did not take you straight to the YouTube studio, what you need to do is click on continue to studio. It's still loading. Okay, so all these things are the buttons contained in the YouTube studio. Alright, so let's go ahead and post our video. Now look at the top right hand side. The top right hand side, I zoom this thing so that you can see very well what I'm doing. Look at the top right hand side here where you are seeing certain buttons. One of the buttons you can see there is create button, right? And you can see also another button below. You can see an arrow pointing up. That is also a button. Now you can use these two buttons to post. Okay, this arrow pointing up here, you can click on it and post your video, or you click on create to also post your video. So I'm going to click on create. When you click on create, then click on select files. It will take you to your gallery where you select your file. So I'll click on video. So I'm going straight to where to get my video. So I will scroll until I see the video I want to post. Alright, I think this is the video. Then select file. Alright, so it's processing. Whenever you are posting your video on YouTube, there's always a processing period to checkmate your video elements. Alright, so we are here now. The first thing we need to do is to title our YouTube video. You should always add title to your YouTube video. Don't just post your video like that without adding title. So we click on title. Alright, so I will add title to the video. Say how to design eye-catching thumbnail.
When you are done adding title to your video, the next thing is description. Now, one thing you have to know about description is that the first few words of your video should be included in your video description. You understand? So for this video, I said if your video is not going viral, change the thumbnail. Change the thumbnail, right? Your video is not going viral, change the thumbnail. So and I say in this video you give space. You can see you give space, right? Like enter twice, 1, 2, right? So that your video description will be well written and well optimized. You said in this video, comma, I want to show you how to design attention grabbing thumbnail. You get that? I want to show you how to design attention grabbing thumbnail. You can see that my description and my description and the title are saying something, right? Say how to design catchy thumbnail. So I say how to design attention grabbing thumbnail. You can see that the keywords are flowing, right? So that is how to add description. So the next thing you have to add after you write some few things about your video is the hashtag. These hashtags are very important. You can call them video tags. These hashtags are very important. They help to push your video to people who are searching for certain things about this kind of your video. So the hashtag, you can just include just 2 or 3 hashtags is enough. You can just say YouTube. For this video, you can just say YouTube thumbnail, right? Just space, not enter, space, then another hash. I usually include my channel name, Vidrose, then space, and just say YouTube growth, right? Good. YouTube growth, right? Now follow me gradually. So we are done with this. We are done with this particular place here, how to add description to your videos, right? After adding description to your video, the next thing you need to add is the thumbnail, right? You can see you can see where it is written thumbnail there. This place here, right? This place, you can see it. You can see thumbnail here, right? So this is where you need to choose your video thumbnail. You can generate your thumbnail automatic. That is, YouTube can help you to generate your thumbnail, and you can also use here to compare your thumbnail to see. That is, if you want to use this place, you can compare 2 thumbnail. That is, you design 2 thumbnail and compare them to see the one that can go very viral. Sometimes it doesn't work fast, so if you want to, this one is when you want to post a video like next week and you want to optimize it, you can actually choose that one. Okay, click on files, click browse. So this is the thumbnail I want to use. Alright, so the thumbnail is uploaded. You can see it here. Some of you, this is one thing that makes your video not to go viral.
The next thing now is playlist. So if you check this place here, if you don't know how to create a playlist, follow this step and you know how to create playlist for your video. This place here, say select playlist. So I'm going to click there now to create a new playlist for this particular video. So I will click. You can see new playlist here. You can see new playlist, right? So click on it and then create a new playlist. You can see where you say new, so click on new. I can name this playlist general, right? So once you are done, you can add description. So I usually add something like all about YouTube growth. So your own playlist might not be about YouTube growth, right? So just add something. All right, so once you are done, you can choose public on this place here, choose public, and then click on create, and your playlist is created. You can see here that your video has been selected to be on general, the playlist titled general. Now the next thing is this audience, set audience. So you can see say set this you see this video is set to not made for kids. All right, so if you have not watched the video on how to set your channel to not made for kids, go and watch my video on channel optimization. Okay, you can get how to set it. But if your own is not set like this, simply click on no, it is not made for kids, then click on show more. So the next thing to set is, you can see this place where you say paid promotion. If your video contains paid promotion, click on this box you are seeing here. This box you are seeing, click on it. Then if your video does not contain paid promotion, simply leave it. The next thing is altered content. Okay, so your video does not have anything of such, so simply click on no, right? Check no. Okay, so this one you can leave it that way. The rest of the things you can leave them that way. Okay, now there's another thing you have to look is tags. Let me zoom this a bit so that you see tags. You can see tags here, right? You can see tags here, right? So this place here, this place you are seeing here is where you begin to enter your video tags. Okay, so this tags is the same thing as keyword, so you enter there to begin to enter your video keyword. So this my video is about YouTube thumbnail, so I will begin to enter keywords. This is where you determine the fate of your video. How far the video will go is really determined by how far you enter, is really determined by how well you enter your video keyword. So I'll begin by YouTube thumbnail, right? You click on next. Your own could be an enter button, so you click on next. You can see that tag has been entered. You can see it here. You can see it, the tag has been entered. That is your video keyword. So I want to enter at least 5 keywords for this particular video. So I'll click on it again, click on it and enter how to design video thumbnail. Then click on next. You go back there, click on it. So I usually add something like the YouTube growth, because my channel is about YouTube growth. So I'm also trying to promote this keyword. There are people who research how to grow well on YouTube, so that we see this particular video. So I will go back there, click on it again. So I will enter YouTube tips. Next, I'll leave video language that way, and I'll leave all these ones. All right, if you know that you don't have plenty subscribers in your channel, you see these things you are seeing here, this particular spot here. Okay, you can see this particular spot, this place here. You can see the first one say allow embedding, the second one say publish to subscribers feed and notify subscribers. What does this thing mean? The first one, if you don't have plenty subscribers, simply uncheck this last one here. What it means is that if you say send notification to my subscribers, if you don't have plenty subscribers, there's no need allowing YouTube to send notification to your subscribers, right, to notify them before allowing other persons to view your video. So what you do is that you simply say allow embedding. It means that they will send video to people who are not your subscribers. Do you understand? But if you have plenty subscribers, you can check these two. All right, so for me, I will check these two. Okay, so the next one is you can allow remix, and so all other things are okay for me. So all this video now is well optimized. This is exactly how to optimize your YouTube video. Once you are done with your optimization, scroll down to the bottom. You see a button next, click on it, and then scroll down again, click on next, scroll down again and click on next. So once you finish doing everything, there is this one last thing I want to show you, which is very, very important, right? Once you finish doing everything, you see this place where you say visibility, click on it, right? Simply come here and choose public, right? Choose public for your video. Okay, so if you choose public, it means that the video will start going public immediately. It will start showing to people immediately, right? So once you choose public, your video will be shown to everyone. Once you choose public for your video, right, once you are done doing all the settings and you've chosen public for your video, scroll down here. You see this publish button. See this publish button below, this one here. All right, just simply click on it. Your video will go live. Your video will start showing to people, and people will start watching your video. So this is exactly how to post and optimize your YouTube video.